National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas, northwestern San Augustine County in eastern Texas, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Nacogdoches, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Nacogdoches, Melrose, Martinsville, Woden, Ternano, and Denning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas, Nacogdoches, and San Augustine.